Guys, today is the day, the long-awaited day. I finally get my car repaired and wrapped thanks to the awesome company Vanguard. They are the guys who did Ramal's wrap. These guys are absolute legends. Words cannot describe how much they are helping me out right now in terms of costs, absolutely everything. Considering as well, other companies have considered this car to be a write-off because of the cosmetic damage. These guys are just helping me so much. So I'm about to get the car cleaned up and I'm gonna drive it down to Gloucester where they are based, and we're gonna get the car repaired and wrapped. I imagine it's gonna take them a couple of weeks, up to a couple of weeks. They need to get it to dent people, they need to replace the panels, and then the legends themselves are going to wrap it. This is going to be a process, but I'm so excited to see the transformation, so hold tight.
Why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness? Man, trying to get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved. No, you don't need to get involved. No, now you trying to get...
Okay guys, let's get this beast delivered to Vanguard. I'm sorry, yeah, but 30 miles per hour on a motorway, 30 miles per hour, 50 average speed zones are taking the piss, yet alone 30. Rah. GT86 friends! GT86 friends! Oh yay! Friends! Ah! Vanguard, here we go, here we come. Oh jeez, I'm excited. And the two beasts outside, the CLA and the Cupra. Yo, they are absolute machines. Fair play to these guys. These guys are the absolute plug. Yo, I'm so stoked. I'm so excited for what's to come with this car. They are doing the biggest thing right now for me. Yo, it's making me emotional already.
What you done to your car, man?
Too much has been done to it, but you guys are just saving this absolute monster. Yeah, I swear down, like, other people have considered this to be a write-off. Literally, when I went for my insurance, I was like, nah, it's a write-off. And like, you guys are just saving it. And then throwing in a wrap, like a mad wrap as well. Like, I cannot wait to see the final product. I'm too gassed. So Mark, my guy on the phone, he just took me out in this beast. This thing is rapid, it's so quick. Yo, what an absolute machine. The guys here have taste and they just smash it. Oh, Jesus.
Back to those days. I was running in one place. Set a pace. Feel like I've been running.
Guys, today is the day. Today is the day I pick up my car. I am so excited. Oh my God, I literally could barely sleep because I was that filled with excitement. You know, when you get that feeling in your stomach. I've got such bad stomach pains today, and I can't figure out whether it's due to excitement or something shit that I ate yesterday. But yo, I'm so gassed. Let's do this, guys. Let's go get this beast.
We don't drink on the job, boy.
Yeah.
We might have a little 2s and 4s, you know what I'm saying?
I literally I've never had butterflies like this, I swear. I cannot wait.
You gotta be out there.
Yeah, man's coming with the tough uncle talk, you know what I'm saying? Anderson the one. Okay, you ready?
Nah, oh my God.
Bro, oh man, I'm excited for you, man.
Bro, it's emotional, man. Yeah. I'm watching a shutter, bro, but I swear down, I'm feeling so much.
Actually, yo, Anderson, can I see it before he does? Alright, I'm gonna film my reaction right now, okay? Okay, am I allowed to come see it now?
Yeah, you can see it.
Oh, fuck! Nah, that's actually mad. You're gonna give him a heart attack? How do you feel that you're gonna commit murder?
It's good.
Yo, guys, when you see this, you're gonna throw up. This is disgusting. Oh my God. Oh, yo. They've done something very special to that car.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? Yo, I'm gonna cry, man.
Oh, you okay?
Nah.
Oh my God, it's actually crying. It's actually crying.
I can't get over that. Bro, what? Yo, you've done what?
Bro, take it in, take it in, man. Take it in. You don't want it back. Take it in.
I'm dropped. What? Is that my car?
This last piece is still on the way from Toyota.
That's fine.
So that's coming.
Come here, man.
Days,
Come here, man.
Oh my god. Man's getting teary-eyed. Anderson, yo, Mark, what have you lot done, man? What have you lot done? You lot are breaking hearts out here, you know, you little bastards.
His insurance said that it was gonna go.
Exactly. This car was it was literally gonna turn into a cube, but Vanguard saved it. Yo, guys, if you haven't already, go to their Instagram. Fuck it, if you want a car wrap, if you want a toaster wrapped, go to these guys. They will sort you out. I'm not even lying. He's my close friend, yeah. He will sort you out and he'll probably buy you flowers because he's a nice guy.
Look at this, look at this, look at this.
Oh my, bro, have you seen what they've done here? Bro, have you seen what they've done there?
No way you actually, you know what I was thinking in my head? Like, I was gonna actually come back and ask them to do like an Instagram thing. I can't believe you guys just did that. Like, what?
I'm not even gonna lie, I'm a bit jealous now. I feel like I've been hard done by. I mean, guys, like, what, you're treating me like shit now.
We got a slot in February if you want it.
Calm down, alright? Don't give them any idea. Carbon fibre is unreal.
I'm glad you like it, man. I'm glad you like it.
It looks like coerced, bro.
Take it in. That's what we want to do, man. We want to make customers happy, you know what I mean?
Look at Anderson smiling. Look at this guy smiling.
I'm just speechless. I went through my insurance and the company, this garage who works for my insurance company deemed it to be a write-off. So this thing has gone from being a write-off to, I don't know, there's no words for what this is right now. I don't even know what this is.
Vanguard on there as well.
The details you put in.
So have you stopped crying yet, you pussy?
I think so. I'm trying to
bro.
Take it in. I feel like I'm in a fair.
Like, I feel happy for you because I know how much it means to you, man. I know how much it means to you.
Can you tell that guy to be quiet?
Yo, big man! Yo! We're trying to do a moment here! Oi!
Guys, please follow Vanguard. Like, I'm gonna put their fucking tag, their @ to their Instagram page right now. And if you ever need to get a car wrapped or just detailed, like even the smallest things, you can see how much detail these guys put in. Come to them, please. They deserve it. They have done the biggest madness ever. They've gone above and beyond. The wrap was enough, you know, and like the extra detailing that they've just done out of the kindness of their heart just shows what amazing people these guys are as well. Please go and drop them a follow. Use their services if you ever need anything done to your car. I'm mind boggled.